So question number 7th, use graph paper. For this question, take 2 centimeter as 10 marks. So this x-axis represents marks. So 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter is 10 marks. So 10, 20 till 90 I have written. Now they have said 2 centimeter as 10 students. So this represents number of students. So this is 10 students, 20 students, 30, this way I have continued till 90. Draw. So this is the graph, 30 to 40, 10 students, 30 to 40 marks, 40 to 50, 26 students, 50 to 60, 40 students, 60 to 70, 54 students, and 70 to 80, 34. This is 34. Now to find the mode, we have to draw a line from this corner. This is the highest frequency, is 54, from this corner to this corner, and from this corner to this corner. Point of intersection, this meets x-axis at 63.5. So answer can be 63.5, 63 or 64. One division error is accepted by the council. So this is question number 7. The scale also has to be mentioned here. X-axis 2 centimeter 10 marks, 2 centimeter 10 students. This is question number 7 first. This is the graph. Number of students,